Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Magic Math by Seta sir. Friends, today we will learn chapter 1 real numbers. First we see divisions because we use divisions for getting important rules of Euclid's lemma. So we see divisions, very simple divisions. 25 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. 1 is remainder. 26 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 is remainder. 27 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. 0 is remainder. 28 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. 1 is remainder. Friends, it is very simple. You are all know this very well, but we use this for Euclid's lemma. Friends, you know 25 is called dividend. 25 is called dividend. 3 is called divisor. 8 is called quotient. And 1 is called remainder. Friends, you are all wearing clothes with different styles, fancy styles, right? Euclid wrote this division in its own style, fancy style. But like 25 is equal to 3 into 8 plus 1. Euclid wrote this division in its own style, in a straight line, like a fancy style. 25 is dividend, so we can write here dividend is equal to 3. 3 means divisor into 8. 8 means quotient plus 1. 1 means remainder. Friends, you are all know this formula very well. You learn this formula in 5th and 6th standard. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? You are all learn in 5th to 6th standard. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Euclid wrote this formula in its own style. Dividends say A, divisor he said B, quotient he said Q, and remainder he said R. A is equal to B into Q plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Euclid write this formula in its own style. A is equal to B into Q plus R. A means dividend, B means divisor, Q means quotient, and R means remainder, where remainder is always less than B. B means divisor. Let us see. This is remainder, this is divisor. Remainder R is less than divisor B. रिमाइंडर को क्या बोला उसने R, और डिवीजर को क्या बोला B. R less than B. Let us see here. 2 is remainder, 3 is divisor. क्या है? R less than B. Let us see. Remainder is 0. 0 less than or equal to. रिमाइंडर 0 हो सकती है, 0 से ज्यादा भी हो सकती है, लेकिन b से क्या होती है, कम होती है। ठीक है, here remainder are less than b, here remainder are less than b, b means divisor। इन सभी उदाहरणों में रिमाइंडर डिविजर से कम है, इसलिए हमने इधर लिखा है 0 लेस देन और इक्वल टू r लेस देन b। दिस इज यूक्लिड्स लेमा। फ्रेंड्स, टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट, देन वी राइट यूक्लिड्स लेमा। ओके, we write Euclid's division lemma. For any two positive integers a and b, a means dividend, b means divisor, there exist unique means one and only one, unique whole numbers q and r such that a is equal to b into q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Very easy. It is very important for 1 mark questions, right? Euclid's division lemma for any two positive integers a and b. A means dividend, b means divisor, dividend or divisor. There exist unique means one and only one, whole numbers आप पढ़ चुके हैं। whole numbers means 0 1 2 3 up to infinite, इसमें से कोई भी नंबर q और r हो सकता है। whole numbers q and r such that a is equal to b into q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This is called Euclid's division lemma, right? We use Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's algorithm for finding HCF of any two integers. Euclid's division lemma or algorithm is mostly used for finding HCF, highest common factor, HCF, finding HCF of two positive integers. So we can use this Euclid's division lemma for finding HCF of any two integers, right? Take a screenshot. Okay. HCF of A and B is equal to non-zero remainder. HCF of A and B is equal to last non-zero remainder. Friends, HCF फाइंड करना इतना इजी है. HCF of A B, A means dividend, B means divisor. Any two positive integers A and B are. HCF of A B is equal to last non-zero remainder. और इसको इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं. HCF of AB is equal to divisor of the last step having remainder 0. HCF of AB is equal to divisor of the last step having remainder 0. ठीक है, उसका उपयोग हम एग्जाम्पल में करेंगे. सो वी टेक एग्जाम्पल्स. टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट. Let example, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of first one is 120 and 23. Friends, it is very easy method. First of all, we take A and B. Large number as A and small number as B in all examples. Here A is equal to 120 and B is equal to 23. A greater than B. Always taken A greater than B. Large number as A and small number as B. Okay? By Euclid's division algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus R. Therefore, A means 120 is equal to B means 23. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It is very easy formula of 5th standard, right? So we can find now quotient and remainder. We take division of these two numbers. 120 divided by 23. 23 5s are 115. So 5 is remainder, 5 is quotient and 5 is remainder. Quotient कितने आया? 5 plus remainder 5. Friends, in all example we take second number and fourth number in next step up to remainder is 0. Here 120 first number, 23 second number, 5 third number and 5 fourth number. There are 4 numbers. We take always second and fourth number in next step. Second number is here 23 and fourth number is here 5. We take both. 23 is equal to 5. Now we divide these two numbers. 23 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. It is very easy. 3 is remainder. Quotient Q is equal to 4 and remainder R is equal to 3. Into quotient की वैल्यू क्या है? 4 plus remainder 3. Now we take second and fourth number in next step. 5 is equal to 3. 5 divided by 3. we divide these two numbers. 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 2. 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 remainder. Second number and fourth number we take in next step. Therefore 3 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is remainder. It is very easy, right? Now second number and fourth number, 2 is equal to 1. 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2 plus 0 is remainder. 2 divided by 1. देखिए इधर 2 divided by 1. 1 2s are 2. Remainder is 0. Q is equal to 2 and R is equal to 0. Friends, last remainder is 0. Now we find HCF of 120 and 23. 120 and 23 is equal to last non-zero remainder. लास्ट नॉन जीरो रिमाइंडर, ये लास्ट है लेकिन क्या है जीरो. हमें क्या चाहिए? लास्ट नॉन जीरो रिमाइंडर. लास्ट नॉन जीरो रिमाइंडर कौन सी है? 1. सो आंसर इज 1. फ्रेंड्स, टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट एंड राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. ओके. Now we take second example of this method. It is very easy method and very important for exam. Second example is 765 and 65. We take large number as A. A is equal to 765 and small number as B. Therefore B is equal to 65. By Euclid's division algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus R. Therefore A is equal to 765 is equal to B is equal to 65. We divide both this number and get quotient and remainder. It is very easy. 765 divided by 65. 65 ones are 65. 6 minus by 1. 7 minus 6 1. 5. 65 ones are 65. 5 minus by 0. 11 minus 6 5. So 11 is quotient and remainder is 50. Quotient कितना आया? 11 plus remainder 50. Friends, now we take second number and fourth number in next step. Therefore 65 is equal to 50. Now divide both this number. It is very easy. 50 ones are 50 plus 15 are remainders. कैसे देख सकते हैं आप? 65 divided by 50. 50 ones are 50. 5 minus 0 5. 6 minus 5 1. क्या आया? 1 is equal to Q, Q is equal to 1 and remainder R is equal to 15. तो orally कर सकते हैं. Now second number and fourth number, 50 is equal to 15. 15 3s are 45. 15 3s are 45. 5 is remainder. ऐसे देख सकते हैं आप. 15 3s are 45. 5 is remainder and quotient is 3, right? Now second number 15 is equal to 5. 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 0. Therefore HCF of 765 and 65 is equal to last non-zero remainder. लास्ट नॉन जीरो रिमाइंडर कौन सी है? 5 है. तो 5 इज द आंसर. Friends, it is very easy method and it is very important for exam. Take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Okay, now we learn new example of this method. Friend, exercise 1.1, example 1. Exercise 1.1, example 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of first one is 135 and 225. Friends, large number is this. We take large number as A, therefore A is equal to 225, and small number as B, therefore B is equal to 135. By Euclid's algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus R. Therefore, A means 225 is equal to B means 135. We take division of this number and get quotient and remainder. 225 divided by 135. 135, ones are 135, 5 minus 5, 0, 12, 12 minus 3, 9, 1 minus 1, 0. Quotient is 1 and remainder is 90. 1 plus remainder is 90. Friend, we take second number and fourth number in next step. Same method. Divide this number 135 divided by 90. 90 ones are 90. 5 minus 0, 5. 13 minus 9, 4. क्वेश्चन कितना आया 1 और रिमाइंडर इज 45. We take second number and fourth number in next step up to remainder 0. 90 is equal to 45. 45 twos are 90. It is very easy. Remainder is 0. 90 divided by 45. 45 twos are 90. Remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of 135 and 225. 225 and 135 is equal to last non-zero remainder. Last non-zero remainder is 45. Therefore, 45 is the answer. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Okay. Now we learn second example. Second example, 196 and 38,220. Friends, this is large number, therefore A is equal to 38,220, B is equal to 196. By Euclid's division algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus R. Therefore, A means 38,220 is equal to B means 196. Now we take division of these two numbers and get quotient and remainder. We take division. 196 ones are 196. 12 में से 6 कट करे तो 6, 7 17, 17 में से 9 कट करे 8, 2 2 में उसे 1 कट करे 1, 2 196, 9s are 6 9s are 54, 5 carry, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 5 86, 8 carry, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 17, 12 minus 4 8, 5 is 15, 15 minus 6 9, 7 minus 7 0 0. We take 0, 196, 5s are 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48, 4 carry, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 4 9. Remainder is 0. Quotient is equal to 195. Here quotient है 195 plus remainder 0. देखिए एक ही स्टेप में सॉल्यूशन हो गया. 0 is the remainder. Therefore we take HCF. HCF of 38,220 and 196 is equal to divisor of the last step when remainder is 0. Here divisor is 196. So HCF is equal to 196. Here single step and we get remainder 0. Then we take divisor as HCF. Then HCF is equal to 196. Take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Friends, we learn third example. Third example, 867 and 255. Here large number is 867, therefore we write A is equal to 867 and B is equal to 255. By Euclid's division algorithm, what is formula? You can say, very good. A is equal to B into Q plus R. Very good. A means 867 is equal to B means 255, Q means quotient and R means remainder. We take division, 865 divided by 255. 25 3s are 75. So we can divide by 3. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 7 1. 3 is quotient and 102 is remainder. Now we take second number and fourth number in next step. 225 is equal to 102. Divide by 225, divide by 102. 102, 2s are 204. 5 minus 4 1, 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 2 0. 2 is quotient and 51 is remainder. 2 is quotient and remainder is 51. Now we take second and fourth number in next step. 102 is equal to 51. It is very easy. 51 2s are 102. Remainder is 0. Therefore HCF of 867 and 255 is equal to last non-zero remainder और divisor when remainder is 0, दोनों सेम ही है 51. Therefore HCF is 51 is the answer. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Friends, today we will learn Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division algorithm and its example. It is very easy. A is equal to B into Q plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. This is Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division algorithm. We use it for finding HCF. It is very easy. Friends, here we give some extra examples for homework. You can take screenshot of these examples and write down in your notebook. If you have any query, you can WhatsApp me on given number in this slide. Right? Thank you very much.